Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. I have not been this excited since I last set off a car alarm after installing a loud exhaust. Yeah. So I will be working with HJC Helmets, one of the biggest and most famous helmet companies in the world. Now these guys have been making riot helmets since 1971, which means their first job was protecting people from getting hit in the head with bricks. Or Italian battalions. God dang it. So when they keep riot police safe, I'm pretty sure they can also keep my head safe when I'm doing stupid things. And now these guys have been at it for over 50 years, and their motto is 50 years of continuous challenges, 100 years to perfection. That's a lot better as my life motto. 1 year of bad decisions. My name is Jeff. Still trying to figure it out. HJC stands for Hong Yin Crown. No idea what that means, but they started in Korea in 1971. They became the #1 helmet company by 1992 in North America. And by 2001, they dominated Europe also. Now they got factories in Vietnam, corporate offices in Germany, Italy, and France. And if you check underneath your seat, there's probably a HJC factory there as well. Now last time when I asked you guys for a very quiet, very comfortable helmet, all of you said the RPHA91 system helmet. So you can open it up, have a beer while riding. So I asked for it in the Rafino MC21 colors, because those colors are also on the Honda. So it should kind of fit the bike. Not really sure, but we have to check it out. Ooh, I got 2 boxes in here. What in the world? We got goodies. We got goodies, boys. Oh, I like them goodies. I like them. Oh, we got another visor. We got a visor and a shirt. Oh, we got 2 t-shirts. Medium. That should fit me perfectly. Look at that. All right. So first thing in the box. Ooh, we got a tinted visor as well. Oh yeah, we got a tinted visor right here. Oh, that is a shiny visor right there. Look at that. Also don't like it to be too dark, because it's too dark, then it's also not road legal. HJ37 is also actually not street legal, because it's probably way too dark after the sun goes down. So now, of course, for track use, this is ideal. But for me as an adventure rider, sometimes I get back in the middle of the night, so I don't want to have like a dark visor at night. So I will use the integrated sun visor. It has one. But let's open it up. Now this helmet, of course, is the RPHA91. This is a system helmet. Like I said, you can open it up and have a little bit of some beer while you're riding. And the end of April, this is the 2025 model. By the end of April, I will also be getting the F71 in MC21 color, and also for the adventurer riding that I will be doing, the RPHA60 Dakar in MC21. That is a very badass looking helmet as well. So really looking forward to this one as well, but the other 2 are gonna be just as awesome. Anyway, I do love working with one of the best helmet companies in the world. That is a strong box, HJC. Performance reinvented. If the helmet is half as strong as the cardboard it comes in, there's gonna be some good ass material. What is that? The owner's manual and some stickers. The pin lock system. Last but not least. Oh, the smell of it. The smell of it. Not only is this helmet pretty goddamn light for a system helmet, it is also very, very quiet. And it all has to do with carbon aramid fiber. Sounds expensive. Normal carbon fiber because, you know, weight savings. And glass fiber. Damn! I don't know what it means, but it sounds cool, right? Organic non-woven fabric and some natural linen fiber, because my head also likes to wear a designer suit. The fine smell of carbon fiber and aerodynamics. But enough talking, let's reveal Uncle Smokey's new helmet for 2025. God dang it. Oh my God! Wow! Ooh. Smokey likes this a lot. Look at that thing. Oh yeah, I can already hear the wind resistance reducing. Yeah, this helmet is designed to cut through the air and keep you stable at high speeds. Because, you know, looking cool is only half the battle. Staying on the bike is the other one. Have you ever worn a helmet that turns your head into a human sauna? Well, not with this guy. This guy has 5 intakes and 7 exhausts. I never knew that helmets had exhaust. But anyway, we have one in the front that has 2 modes. 1, 2. Second one is on top. Slide it back in front. Third one on the back. Back and front. One on the side here. And one on the side here. Not really sure where the exhaust is, but I think it got dual exhaust tips over here. One over here, one over here, that's 4. Probably somewhere here is like 5 and 6. And somewhere here inside the helmet is probably number 7. I don't know, I'm not a professionally trained expert in helmet exhausts. So if you're overheating in this helmet, yeah, you're probably riding through an active volcano. Ah, got my finger cut in there. Now also something pretty cool, some helmets have like plastic locks. This one is like, it's all metal. See that? That's all metal. That's some hard ass stuff. Also, this visor has 99% UV protection, so your eyeballs stay safe. It also has an anti-scratch coating, so if you drop it in the parking lot, you can pretend it never happened. And the visor is also pin lock ready, so when you start heavy breathing, like Darth Vader, it's not gonna fog up. And with the built-in sun visor, I actually feel like a fighter jet pilot. Ready to roll, boys. The interior is made with advanced antibacterial fabric, meaning it won't turn into a petri dish of sweat and bacteria after a long ride. It's also moisture wicking and quick drying, so your head doesn't turn into a sponge when riding in the rain. And also the inside is totally removable and washable, so no more excuses for having a stinky helmet. Kevin, this one smells fresh though.
Hey, I'm stuck inside the helmet.
Oh yeah, it's also a very quiet helmet. Have I told you guys that? And with it being very quiet actually means that when I'm talking, suddenly when I close it... And that's how quiet this thing actually is. A lot of testing has been done with other brands, and this system helmet turns out to be the most quiet one. And that means that it's... Ooh, but now it's time for the most important part of the video, the satisfying helmet peel. God dang it. Oh yeah, here we go. Nope. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that beauty. God dang it. Oh, we got some more stickers. Too many stickers on this thing. I have no idea why they put so many stickers on this helmet. They even put the weight on the back. It's 1650 grams. Why would you put a sticker of the grams in the back? I do get the small here, but... And on both sides, you can slide down this little panel to add your communication system. Or you can have it on this side as well by taking this one off. It's a little pinch here and then you like pull it down. And it also got the smart HJC integrated headset, which is kind of ironic because when I put on a helmet, I don't really make smart decisions most of the time. And in collaboration with Asena, for example, you can integrate your Bluetooth headset straight into the helmet. So you don't have these wires hanging around and touching your neck. And you know what these things do, like Bluetooth navigation, turn on your music volume, headset, all that kind of stuff. But let's be honest, arguing with your best friend over the directions in real time, that's just pure gold. And of course, the main reason why I always go for the MC21 colors, the white is kind of the same. The red is a little bit redder on the helmet as on the Africa Twin. The bluish is kind of the same, you see that? It's a little bit the same, so it does fit really well. Look at that. That's actually why I went for the MC21 Rafino coloring. And combined with a DCT, you can just open your can with one hand while riding. System helmet, boys. Ride while drinking a beer. No, seriously though, don't drink and drive. That's a bad idea. Now quickly installing the pin lock. The screen that goes over there is pretty easy. You take the visor, you put it all the way up, tilt this little lever to the left. Boop, here we go, that is one. And we get the other one right there. That is 2. And the visor is off. Now do be a little bit careful with the pin lock screen, with the pin lock screen, because this one is not as scratch resistant as the visor itself. So as easy as it is, just take like that, snap it into place like this, something like that, and that's it. And then you have to take the inside peel off. And now you can breathe like Darth Vader. So a big thanks again to HJC for being Smokey's new partner for the brain buckets. Yeah, couldn't have wished for a better company to keep me safe with noggin. And let me know in the comments as well, do you use an HJC or another brand? And also, if you leave a comment, you get a chance to win, again, a box full of Smokey Bubbles car cleaning and motorcycle cleaning soap, the best products in the world. So, but do make sure you watch the next video, because sometimes when I do giveaways, people don't watch the next video where they see they actually won. So don't do that. Like, subscribe, want some Smokey Bubbles, leave a comment, and let me know. Are you using HJC as well? Hongying Crown Company? Let me know. Thanks again, HJC. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe. See ya.
Yo guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you also want to make some money on the side with YouTube or become a full-time YouTuber as myself, or you want to build your personal brand, make sure you click the link in the description and check out my free webinar. Yeah, new video, my favorite video.